I just spent 2 lakhs on AI tools last month. And you know what I realized? I wasn't paying for better AI. I was paying to fix my bad instructions. Here's the truth nobody is telling you. If your AI outputs suck, it's not the AI, it's you. And in the next 13 minutes, I'm gonna teach you the one skill that will make you 10x better than 99% of designers using AI. Welcome to day 3 of the free 30-day AI creative roadmap. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shweta from Shweta Creates. And before we go any further, pause this video right now. See that link in the description, the one pinned in the comments? Click it, download the handbook, open it on your laptop or phone. I'll wait. Got it? Good, because everything I'm about to teach you today directly maps to day 3 inside that handbook. And if you did day 1 and day 2 assignment properly, you're already ahead of 90% of designers using AI right now. I've generated over 500 brand identities using AI in the last 8 months. Some were trash, some were chef's kiss. The difference? Never the tool, always the prompt. Most people think prompting is like talking to a super smart friend. Like, hey AI, make me something cool. That's cute, but it doesn't work. Prompting isn't conversation, it's architecture. If your thinking is vague, AI will give you vague results, wrapped in a pretty package. Today is all about learning how to talk to AI like it's your junior designer, not your creative director. Because if you followed day 1 and day 2, you already did something most people skip. You stopped asking AI to think for you. You started using AI to think with you. Today, we are learning the exact structure that makes AI outputs predictable, professional, and repeatable. Let me show you what most prompts look like. Create a modern logo for a premium brand. That's not a prompt, that's a prayer. When you type that, AI is guessing. Your outputs change every single time you spend hours tweaking for no reason. Professionals don't let AI guess. They give AI a blueprint, and that's exactly what I'm teaching you today. Once you understand this, AI stops feeling random. It becomes predictable, repeatable, controllable, and that's when things get fun. Because you're not experimenting anymore, you're executing. Every professional prompt, I don't care what tool you're using, has 3 parts. No exception. We call it role, task, rules. Miss even one, your output quality drops by 50% minimum. Role tells AI who it's supposed to be, not helpful assistant, not creative buddy. Specific role equal to specific thinking. Examples: brand strategist for luxury wellness brands, visual system designer working in tight timelines, creative director preparing investor-ready decks. Role changes how AI thinks. Without role, AI becomes generic internet soup. Task tells AI exactly what to do. Not give me ideas, not help me brainstorm. A strong task answers, what format do I need? How deep should you go? What phase am I in? Example, generate 3 brand positioning statements with rationale, no visuals. Clear task is no hallucination, no overthinking, just output. Rules are the secret. This is the part most people skip, and it's the part that separates amateurs from pros. Rules tell AI what to avoid, what to prioritize, what can never change. Examples: no trend references. Assume 1 lakh plus pricing. Avoid playful or pastel language. Keep output board ready, no fluff. Rules turn AI from a creative toy into a business tool. If your AI outputs feel boring or random, it's not the AI. It's because your role was vague, your task was loose, your rules didn't exist. Bad outputs are always input problems. Fix your input, output fixes itself. One rule you cannot break: do not stack prompts. Don't keep re-prompting hoping for magic. If the output is bad, go back. Fix the input. More prompts not equal better results. Alright, here's your day 4 assignment. No designing yet, just one exercise. Step 1. Take one old prompt you've used before, anything. Step 2. Rewrite it using a clear role, a specific task, and strict rules. Step 3. Run both versions side by side. Compare the outputs. That comparison, that's where the learning locks in. On day 5, you're going to act as brand strategist and analyze visual gap in the market. So, complete day 4 assignment and gear up for day 5. If you're finding value in this roadmap, hit that subscribe button right now, because we are doing all 30 days together and every single day builds on the last one. Day 4 is the assignment day, where we turn this prompting structure into actual brand strategy work. And day 5 is where we find visual gap in the market. You don't want to miss it. Now, before you go, if at any point you feel stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure whether you're applying this correctly, that's exactly why I built the paid AI brand design system. The free roadmap teaches you the thinking. The paid system gives you plug-and-play templates, AI prompt libraries, review frameworks and audits, speed and guardrails so you never waste time. But you don't need it to see results. Start with day 3. Do the work properly, respect the order. You know, when I spent 2 lakhs on AI tools last month, I realized I am bad at prompting. But the moment I built this 3-step formula, that's when AI made me unstoppable. And this roadmap, this is exactly how I stopped wasting my money. So drop a comment and tell me, what old prompt are you rewriting today? I read every single comment. I'll reply to you. And if you haven't downloaded the free 30-day roadmap yet, the link is right there in the description. Download it now. Open day 3 and 4. Follow along. I'm Shweta from Shweta Creates. Let's make you unstoppable too.